Today we're at Mojave Elementary, home of the Colts, and we're here to
Do the math!
All right, once again, we're at Mojave Elementary, and we have some 4th and 5th grade students working on integers, right? So once again, what are integers?
Integers are negative and positive.
Negative and positive numbers, right? So we learned a little bit about where to find them on a number line, right? And then we also did some ordering, where we found out if one was greater than or less than, or possibly sometimes equal to the other number. Now we're going to put them in order, all right? And we're going to take positive and negative numbers and put them on a number line to see where they fit, okay? So let's take a look at the first set. So the first set, what does the number line start with?
7. Positive 7.
Well, let's take a look at the number line underneath it first. What does it start with?
Negative
This
12.
does-
Negative 12.
12.
And what does it go up to?
Positive 12.
Positive 12. So we know all the numbers are going to be within positive 12 and negative 12. So the first one, 7. So go ahead and circle where 7 would be. Easy enough, right? Everybody's got positive 7?
Yep.
Okay. What about the next one? What number is that?
10.
10.
10.
All right. So go ahead and finish up that first set. Let's go down to the very bottom one. Now, there are more numbers there, but what are they all going to be between?
They're going to be all between the,
So what's the highest number on the number line? 12. And the lowest number?
Negative.
Negative 12, right? Always remember that negative, all right? Because otherwise 12 and 12 would be the same, all right? So try the bottom set, set 7. So a lot more numbers, but as long as you keep yourself organized, they're going to be easy enough to find. Now, some of the numbers that we have, so the first number we have is a 5, positive 5, right? And there's a negative 5 in that set also. So think about this. If you were at 5, all right, so go ahead and put your pencil on 5. Okay? And now we're going to add a negative 5. So if we're at 5 and we're going to add negative 5, which direction do we need to go? Towards the 0 or away from it? Towards it, right? Because we're taking away 5, right? So 5, so if you're on 5 and you take away 5, where will you end up at?
Wouldn't it just be 5?
Well, it would be 0, right? Because you're at 5 and you're taking away 5, right? So you're going to end up at 0. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move into adding integers, all right? So all you need to do is pay attention. We'll look at, see if it is a positive or a negative number that we're going to be adding, all right? So let's take a look at the first one. Read the first one.
Negative 3. Add.
Positive 12, right? So negative 3, so put your finger on negative 3. Well, take your number line if you want. So let's dig out your number line. All right, so where's negative 3? Okay, and now we're going to add 12. So you're going to go positive 12.
9.
Have to go negative 3 plus 12 is going to leave us at 9. All right, you ready to try one more?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at the next one. So negative 15. Okay, if you're at negative 15, all right, and you're going to add negative 3 more, where do you think you're going to end up at?
Negative 18.
There you go. Now, how did you get negative 18 so fast?
Because I just added the negatives.
Right, you add the negatives, right? If you're down 15 and you go down 3 more, you're going farther down, right? So there we go, a little bit more work with adding integers, comparing them, putting them on a number line, and seeing how they fit all together in a set with the students at Mojave Elementary.